Understanding your TOEFL and IELTS score report. Hello, language learners. Today, we're diving deep into an essential aspect of your TOEFL and IELTS journey: understanding your score report. It's not just about the numbers, it's about knowing what they represent and how to use them effectively. A score report is an official document that shows your test performance in the TOEFL or IELTS exam. For both these tests, the score report breaks down your performance into various sections, namely listening, reading, writing, speaking. The report will give you a clear indication of your strengths and areas that might need improvement. Additionally, it includes an overall score that represents your combined performance in all the sections. 1. Self-evaluation. By thoroughly understanding your score report, you can assess your proficiency in the English language. It allows you to gauge which skills you've mastered and which areas need more attention. 2. University applications. Many universities and institutions demand a specific score in each section, not just an overall score. Knowing your individual section scores can guide you towards universities that match your proficiency. 3. Career opportunities. Some professions might require high proficiency in particular sections. For instance, a journalist might need a high score in the writing section, while a call center executive might prioritize the speaking section. Once you have your score report: 1. Identify the institutions. Decide which universities or institutions you want to apply to. 2. Use official channels. For TOEFL, use the ETS portal, and for IELTS, use the British Council or IDP website to send your scores directly. This ensures authenticity. 3. Understand the fee structure. While some institutions might accept scores for free, others could charge a nominal fee. Make sure you're aware of any associated costs. 4. Wait for confirmation. Once sent, wait for a confirmation from the institution that they've received your scores. Each test, TOEFL and IELTS, has its own scoring system. TOEFL. Scores range from 0 to 30 for each section, with a total maximum score of 120. An overall score of 100 and above is generally considered excellent. IELTS. It uses a band system from 1 to 9 for each section. An overall band of 7 and above is seen as good proficiency in English. Understanding these ranges can help you set targets for future tests if needed and aid in finding institutions that align with your score. There you have it. Understanding your score report isn't just about seeing how well you did. It's a tool for self-assessment, setting future goals, and making informed decisions about your academic or professional journey. We hope this video sheds light on the significance of your TOEFL or IELTS score report. Until next time, keep learning and reaching for the stars.